Most people treat the stock market like a casino, constantly looking for that next best jackpot ticket. But in 2026, the secret isn't picking the winners. It's building a system that makes winning inevitable. And today, I'm going to break down a 3-piece ETF strategy you can build right now on Trading 212 or eToro. It's a 50-30-20 formula designed for absolute stability, momentum in innovation, and an insurance policy that's built of pure gold. So if you want to stop guessing and start growing, this is the blueprint that you need to start right now. The financial industry wants you to believe that you need a dashboard of 50 different stocks to succeed. And I used to believe that too. I spent years analyzing candles and chasing the hot sectors and trying to find that next best thing. And it wasn't until I simplified my approach to just 3 core pillars and automated them using Trading 212's Pies feature that my net worth actually started to accelerate. We aren't looking for a get-rich-quick scheme. I know everyone wants it, but it's not the quickest way to wealth. We're looking for a long-term behavioral discipline. So let's take a little look at these 3 pillars. I call this the engine room because it provides the relentless power that moves your entire financial life forward. And for this, we're going to use the VWRP, which is the Vanguard FTSE All-World. Now, the philosophy of the whole world, this will take up 50% of our portfolio. Why? Well, that's because the VWRP doesn't just bet on America. It bets on human progress, and it tracks over 3,600 companies across both developed and emerging markets. So by owning this, you own the entire world's winners, from Apple to Microsoft in the USA and to ASML in Europe and Toyota in Japan. You don't have to guess which country will actually win in the next decade. If the USA continues to dominate, VWRP will capture it. And if the next industrial revolution starts in India or the EU, VWRP will capture that. It's the ultimate set and forget engine, and it gives you peace of mind. So while the engine room provides stability, the second pillar provides the momentum. This is your growth tilt. And for this, we're going to use the NAS 100 via the EQGB. This is the accumulating version of Invesco's NAS 100. So betting on innovation is what you'll be doing in the NAS 100. This represents 100 of the largest non-financial companies listed on the NAS exchange. These are the giants of AI, cloud computing, and biotech. It's a little bit more volatile than the rest, but it provides a lot of long-term growth. And that is why by allocating 30% here, you're making a deliberate choice to overweight the future. You're basically saying, I want the global foundation of VWRP, but I want a double shot of the companies that are actively rewriting the rules of the world. And that is what this is going to do for you. We're in a tech-driven world now, and you will need to be part of that. So on Trading 212, EQGB is often the preferred choice for long-term builders because it's an accumulating ETF. And this means the dividends that you receive are automatically reinvested for you, and that supercharges your compounding without you even lifting a finger. Otherwise, they just sit in your account and they don't do anything. In a world of digital volatility and shifting currencies, we need something tangible. So we're going to use the GLDW. That is the Wisdom Tree Core Physical Gold. So why gold in 2026? Gold isn't just an old school asset. It's the ultimate insurance policy. When the markets get shaky or inflation spikes, gold tends to hold its ground. Unlike a company, gold can't go bankrupt. Unlike a currency, it can't be printed into oblivion. By keeping 20% in GLDW, which is a physically backed ETC, you're ensuring that even if the stock market takes a temporary dive, your portfolio has a safe haven to cushion the fall. It's the ballast on your ship that keeps you upright during a storm. The beauty of this system on Trading 212 is that you can build it once and let it run forever. Inside of the app, you create something called a pie. You set VWRP to 50%, EQGB to 30%, and GLDW to 20%. Then you automate everything. You turn on your auto invest, whether you're putting in £20 a week or £2,000 a month, it's completely up to you. The app will automatically buy all three assets in the correct proportions. So all you need to do is put your 1,000, 2,000, whatever you're doing, £20 a month in there, and it will automatically distribute all of that for you. But once a year, if tech has outperformed and now makes up, say, 40% of your portfolio, you simply hit the rebalance button. The app will then sell the very expensive tech and buy the cheap gold or the world stocks for you. So this is the way to guarantee to buy low and sell high, and it will keep your portfolio balanced. So if you're in the UK, building this system inside of Trading 212 Stocks and Shares ISA is an absolute must. It allows you to invest up to £20,000 every single year, and for every penny of your growth, it's absolutely 100% tax-free from your growth and your dividends. And if you're not based in the UK, you can always use eToro. It's an excellent platform. It provides all the ETFs you need. If you feel like trying this, just click in the link below and you can go directly to the eToro demo and try it for yourself. Likewise, if you go to the description, there's also an area where you can download my free guide on how to actually start investing. So give it a go and get started today. Now, building wealth is a behavioral discipline. It's not a math problem. If you can commit to this 50-30-20 split and ignore the daily noise and let the compounding do the work for you, you're already ahead of 99% of the people out there. So VWRP for the world, EQGB for the future, and GLDW for that peace of mind. So which of these three do you feel most confident in right now? Is it the global reach, the tech momentum, or the safety of gold? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think about these three. Gold has had a killer 2025, and the QQQ, powering the NAS 100, is going to accelerate, from my personal opinion. Tech is the way forward now. So until next time, stay consistent, take it easy. Peace.